Beyoncé and Jay-Z's attorney SLAMS Piers Morgan after a guest compared them to Sean Diddy Combs during an interview on Piers Morgan Uncensored. The couple's attorney issues a scathing response to an interview Piers Morgan held on his show with Jaguar Wright, during which she claimed Beyoncé and Jay-Z had more, quote, victims than Sean Diddy Combs, who was arrested last month on charges of racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He has since pleaded not guilty to the charges. B&J's attorney Alex Spiro tells TMZ October 9th, "There's rumors and then there's nonsense, and this is one step further. This is a formal and pointed accusation of something." Alex explains his legal ultimatum as, "Remove that false accusation that's demonstrably false, or a court's gonna order you to." And I think he made the wise choice and acted accordingly. After removing Wright's interview, Piers issued an apology during the October 8th broadcast of his show.
Well, Jaguar Wright unexpectedly made several serious allegations about Jay-Z and Beyoncé during that interview. As I said in the moment, they were not present to respond or defend themselves, but now they have. Their lawyers contacted us to say that those claims were totally false and have no basis in fact, and we've therefore complied with the legal request to cut them from the original interview. Editing interviews is not something we do lightly at a show called Uncensored. But, like the proverbial cries of fire in a crowded theatre, there are legal limits on us too. And we apologise to Jay-Z and Beyoncé.
E! News has reached out to reps for Jaguar but has not yet heard back. In his statement to TMZ, B&J's attorney also reveals why their legal team escalated their response to the claims the way they did. Alex says somebody on a so-called journalistic platform exploited that kind of random rumor mill and lifted it up. And by doing that, they not only caused harm, but they are also drowning out the voices of real victims. That was too much for me. The attorney also implies that, though his clients have not spoken out amid Diddy's charges, their reaction to Piers' claims is its own kind of response. Alex explains, "As to the Carters, I can tell you when they put their foot down on something, as they did here, they are sending a message. And if they can't stand up and say right from wrong, then who can?" He adds of Diddy's case, "I have always believed the truth will come out in courtrooms, and I believe the truth will come out here."